Hello kids, today's story is The Golden Bird, a beautiful folk story.
Long ago, in a beautiful kingdom, there was a royal orchard with a tree that grew golden apples. Every morning, the king would discover that one golden apple had gone missing. The king called his three sons, Veer the strong, Rohan the proud, and Arjun the youngest and kindest. He declared, "Whoever catches the thief shall be the heir to my throne." That night, Arjun hid quietly near the tree, keeping a close watch. Suddenly, a dazzling golden bird swooped down and snatched an apple. Arjun tried to catch it, but all he managed was one glowing golden feather. Amazed by the feather, the king said, "Bring me this golden bird." The three princes set off on a journey through forests, across rivers, and over snowy mountains. On the way, they met a clever fox who said, "Take the quiet path through the woods, only then will you succeed." But Veer and Rohan laughed and took the shiny, tempting road instead. Arjun listened to the fox and took the peaceful path. Along the way, he helped an old man carry firewood and shared food with a hungry squirrel. At last, he reached a grand castle where the golden bird sat inside a glowing golden cage. The fox warned, "Do not touch the golden cage. Choose the wooden one." But the golden cage was too tempting. As soon as Arjun touched it, alarms rang out. Guards surrounded him and took him prisoner. The king of that land said, "You may take the golden bird if you bring me the golden horse from the next kingdom." And so, Arjun's quest continued. With the fox's help, Arjun completed every task, choosing wisely, staying humble, and being kind. At last, he returned with the golden bird and the golden horse. When Arjun returned, his jealous brothers lied and claimed the glory for themselves. But just then the golden bird spoke. It was Arjun who showed kindness, wisdom, and courage. The king smiled proudly and declared Arjun the new king. Happiness returned to the land, and every morning the golden bird sang a sweet song over the kingdom. True bravery comes from kindness, honesty, and wisdom.
Like, share, and subscribe. My Kids on TV.